Hello everybody and welcome to our channel. Today we're going to talk about troubleshooting antenna pattern files. This will cover everything you need to do in the event of a failed pattern upload. If you attempt to upload an antenna pattern file and it's deemed incompatible, as you can see by the warning here, there are a couple of things you need to look for to check for a compliant file. The file should contain 720 rows of data. Line 1 and line 451 should match. This is the gain at azimuth degree 0 and elevation angle 0. Line 181 and line 631 should match. This is the gain at azimuth degree 180 and elevation angle negative 180. Last but not least, the beam width filter should be a numerical value, so check for that as well. I'm using a code editor to examine a file here, and you can see that you've got a bunch of numerical values separated into rows. What you see in this example is a non-compliant file. Instead of 720 rows, you've got 722. If we go back to line 1 and compare it to line 451, you can see that they don't match. Line 451 is a 0.0, and line 1 is a negative 0.1. We can do the same thing here by jumping to line 181. There we have negative 25.1. If you jump to line 631, we have a negative 24.9. So you can see that in this case, there are multiple things in this file that would be deemed incompatible. If you're wondering what to do in the case of a non-compliant file, the best course of action is to contact the manufacturer and see if you can get a compliant file. The alternative is to alter the pattern yourself. Tower Coverage cannot correct non-compliant antenna pattern files. Company policy dictates that any alteration of manufacturer files is up to the individual. Any uploaded antenna pattern file will remain unique to your account. That being said, if you're familiar with antenna pattern creation, you can use our antenna pattern creation document to produce a compatible file. You'll find that here. Simply click the button to download. Once you're done, you can use the results to produce a .ant. If you found this content helpful and you'd like to see more, don't forget to click that subscribe button. If you want to get notified when we upload a video, be sure to ring that bell. Thank you for joining us, and I will see you for the next one.